In this aid, we will voice our really own and market's viewpoint on OXD future while examining Orchid cost estimate for 2022 and past in an unpretentious manner. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to take this and any in every practical sense, other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything especially is a difficult undertaking, especially not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Orchid, which is genuinely huge. Presently, we should head into it in a sort of significant manner. Before we dive profound into the Orchid value expectation and answer questions in the event that OXD sort of is a genuinely wise venture or not, for what reason will OXD by and large succeed or especially come up short, or for what reason will Orchid value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what especially is OXT and its to-date history in an unpretentious manner. OXT price prediction for the extremely next 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. The essentially entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable by and large bear market in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin in every practical sense, has commonly drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market generally drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers fundamentally are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional especially steady business sectors in a significant manner. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play and consequently the auction in a sort of huge manner. Our algo still sees a sum genuinely green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year in an unpretentious manner. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to really find an essentially neighborhood base before we can move the other way and in a real sense alter the course, which is very critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will truly begin to do likewise. We truly have seen this situation many especially times in the removed and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model in a real sense is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We in a real sense expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike, which is very critical. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess sort of are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few genuinely other sort of restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. Orchid price prediction 2022 in an unpretentious manner. Most of specialists truly concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions in a very huge manner. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise, which is very huge. Underneath truly is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 22.18% $0.0812, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 2022 November minus 37.60% $0.0651. 2022 December minus 25.22% $0.0780, which for the most part is very critical. 2023 Jan minus 23.72% $0.0796 in an unpretentious manner. 2023 February minus 20.17% $0.0833. 2023 Mar minus 16.69% $0.0869, which is very critical. 2023 April minus 5.59% $0.0985. 2023 May plus 1.06% $0.1054. 2023 June plus 2.45% $0.1069. Incredibly. 2023 July plus 10.77% $0.1155, which is very critical. 2023 August plus 6.17%, $0.1107 in a significant manner. 2023 September plus 14.00%, $0.1189, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. OXT price prediction 2025 in a significant manner. Our expectation model sees OXT coming to $0.1982 in 2025, which is genuinely critical. What will OXT be worth in 5 years, or so they really thought? The cost of OXT in 5 years could lie around $0.1819. Orchid coin price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Orchid will be worth in 2030 in an especially enormous manner. Our Guajing model sees Orchid coming to $0.4954 in 2030 amazingly. What Orchid will really be especially worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. Our determining model sees Orchid coming to $0.9908 in 2040, which is very huge. Will Orchid supplant, fundamentally outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin, which is very huge? No, Orchid won't supplant or overwhelm BTC, or so they thought. Could Orchid at any point reach $1 in an unpretentious manner? Indeed, Orchid could explicitly reach $1 toward the finish of 2025, or so they in every practical sense thought. Could Orchid at any point in a real sense reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Orchid to for the most part reach $10 in the short or midterm period in an unobtrusive manner. Could Orchid at any point reach $100 in a genuinely enormous manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Orchid to especially reach $100 in the short or midterm period, which is genuinely huge. Could Orchid at any point for the most part reach $1,000 amazingly? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Orchid to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Is Orchid truly worth purchasing, or so they thought? We especially are backers of modestly dangerous financial planning. Truly put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of huge cap coins and the rest in little tasks with enormous potential gain, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Thus, in this specific situation, Orchid really merits purchasing, which is very huge. Is Orchid a very wise interest in a very large manner? Orchid is, very much like all sort of other digital forms of money, a hazardous venture, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area and a genuinely strong group behind it.